It is just a two-step process to fix Windows 10 store error 0x8000FFFF in Windows 10. Go to search bar and type services. Click here to open it. Scroll down and search for Windows Update. Right click on it. Click on Properties. Okay, now set startup type as automatic. Then click on Apply. Then click on Start. And then click on OK. Close this. Then click on Start icon. Then select Settings. Okay. Search for Store. Select it and click on Advanced Options. Now click here to reset Microsoft Store. Then click on Reset. That's it. Close this window. Try to open Store. That's it guys, your problem is solved. You're good to go.